All right, all right, all right. Tuesday morning. Let's not become a member, shall we? Walmart reports today. Yeah, a lot of retail reporting. That should be interesting. Oh, Home Depot better than expected quarter. Cheap money means for tax. Yeah, could be on the verge of another .com bubble. Oh, look at that. Netflix gets a bump to a buy. UK is going to shore up the market. All right, nothing really pressing in the news. Today, PPI at 8:30. That's going to be what to watch. Yeah, it's all PPI. And then we get some Fed talking at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And then we have stock, oil, API. Give us some insight into oil tomorrow. And then 10:30, we got the oil expectations. So it should be choppy in the morning tomorrow, but today looks like a good day to trade. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. So how'd we close? Yeah, we can call it a flag. It's not a textbook flag. Right now we're up 26. Let's expand this bad boy. Yeah, we're still in inside bar. It's rough trading on the inside. Momentum looks bullish. Still got that gap. That's probably the attraction on the pullback, but I'm thinking we hit that 41 before we pull back. Is what I'm thinking. Nah, I can't really see it. Nothing really exciting me. We could watch for that that flag today. And watch for a daily bull flag. This is what it'll look like at the open. It's not really a classic flag. We can get rid of that bitch. Would have made us money on the jump. Double tag that. Getting rid of that. Yeah, I'm thinking that 4,100 is the number to hit. Let's look at Bitcoin. Had a bear flag that triggered. Kind of rejecting. I'd say it fails. At 1750, I'll watch for that. I like this little trend reversal here, but it's not classic. It's probably going to go into a consolidation pattern, and then we could look for a break to the upside. I'm not so afraid of it. I mean, it's just getting dragged down with the bad news. It's getting the black eyes for the other exchanges. I wouldn't run. Oil. Yeah, boy. This is around where it should be, man. It's even a little high right now. We can get rid of that trend line and just put a resistance right there. I'll probably put a support right here. Let's get rid of that. And I would argue that this is our consolidation between 94 and 82. I bet over time it moves up to between 94 and 84. That's what I think. So I'm neutral on that oil. Gasoline. Gas just broke a pretty typical head and shoulders. Probably expected to come down to about 236. We could use it. I know they're beating the hell out of people up here in Pennsylvania. I think it's 419. I was down around the city and I saw it for 369. Nat gas looks like a reverse micro trend going on right here. Watch for a break of that. We're neutral until it breaks that. Could be part of a pennant with a resistance around 7 and a break at about 6. I'd like to see it break that 535 after a break of this trend reversal, and that's a continuation pattern. Be nice if it came down into the 4s, back to the 3s. I think people are going to start unloading their position because they're starting to talk about diplomatic solutions to Ukraine, Russia. I mean, it'll obviously take some time, but people with foresight are going to start making a move right now. Looking at bonds, we need a retrace on bonds. We have some bullish momentum. I think we move up to about 33, coupled with the Christmas rally. Gold. Look at that bad boy just grinding its way up. That was a super move. I think my buddy Miguel made some money on that too. But yeah, we saw the bottom, got in, and it's been doing nothing but grinding its way up. I think that was the low. We're going to see it consistently run. And that's it. That's all we're really looking at. We did bonds. Yeah, that's about it. That's what we're looking at. So for today, we're just going to watch to see what happens. If we look at the S&P right here, futures. Oh, that looks kind of heavy right there on the 240. Yeah, momentum's fading. Let's get rid of this guy. Watch that right there. Just the way this is laying up, I think 8:30 is going to be some bad news. I need a down day in the S&P. I don't like all this up. Oh, we didn't want to do that. All right, cool. That's it. See, I forget I'm streaming. I get lost in my world. So anyway, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and check me out at 9 o'clock. Or don't.